I'm going to use StatCrunch along with this example of putty, slime, and neither to show you how to create a bar graph in StatCrunch. Now, because I chose us to purchase Math Excel, getting into StatCrunch can be a little tedious. The first thing that we need to do is we need to make sure that we're in Math Excel. And then I've created a homework assignment called StatCrunch Access. And so you would normally have a blue link there where you can just click. Since I'm in the instructor role, I have to go to preview. And we'd click on StatCrunch, wait for a little bit for it to open and load. And now I'm going to shrink Math Excel. All right, so I have StatCrunch, and I have it take up half the window. And I'm also going to take and shrink the window for Word. I'm going to type into StatCrunch the different responses. We had putty, putty, slime, 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 neither, putty, putty, neither, slime, slime, and neither. From here, I'm going to create a graph. I want a bar graph with data. I'm going to use the data from column 1. Building it where is not really necessary. Now I want a relative frequency table. And I don't need 7 colors, but it's fine. The label for the x-axis I'm going to say is responses. There's no y-axis label. And the title I'm going to say is, do you like putty or slime? And I'm going to go ahead and make these vertical lines instead of horizontal and see what happens. Okay. So it says neither is about our 0.25 and putty is about 0.33. And then the slime is about 0.417. Now, if I want to modify this, I can come down to this bottom left-hand corner. I could change the title. I could change the axes. I could also go back up to options here, and I can edit this. So maybe I want to get rid of those vertical lines. Here we have coloration going on. Let's say I wanted to copy this into a different document. I'm going to click on copy, and then I need to right-click the image, and I need to come over and hit Control-Alt-V in Word. I'm going to tell it to have an independent bitmap, and you can see it pasted on top of Word. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap my text. I'm going to put this behind text. I'm going to shrink it a bit and move it over next to my frequency graph. And now I have a side-by-side frequency graph on the left and a relative frequency graph on the right. So when you have an assignment in Moodle and you need to create a graph, this would be how